Hey guys, welcome back to the Drama Queen show. It's your girl Cherry, and today we are cooking for a 50th birthday party at Richmond Estate in Jamaica. Guys, let me know what you think about this cooking, and please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed as yet. Thank you to all my subscribers. Enjoy this video and let me know what you think, guys. It was a long day cooking, guys. Oh my gosh. So on the stove here, we have one pot going. On the stove here, we have another pot going. So we have to put some of the stuff outside. So come along, guys. Yes, Drama Queen a cook on coal stove. This is what I actually love to do, guys. I grew up cooking on coal stove and wood fire, so this is second nature to me. On the fire, guys. Yes. So this is a makeshift where we get two big rock stone and we put some coal and we destroy this whole garden to do that. Check out the vibes, guys. Are so nice. So we're gonna use that one outside to fry the fish. That's what's going on. Yes, guys, this is the setting in Drama Queen's kitchen. We're gonna stack this with a bunch of chicken, guys. So we're gonna make sure that pot is hot, blazing hot, and then we're gonna stack it with some chicken. Okay, guys, let's test this one out. All right, looking good. Yes, guys, looking good. Looking beautiful, guys. Looking beautiful. So let's stack up this pot with some chicken. The oil is bubbling hot. Welcome to Cherry's kitchen, by the way, guys. Cherry's kitchen. Yes, guys. Wanna say me can start one restaurant, guys? When we're all done, you're gonna let me know if I can start a restaurant. And if you would come and eat at my coal stove restaurant. Guys, I'm gonna take some of this chicken and this fish on the inside because it's gonna take too long with these two stoves alone. So let's do some on the outside, let's do some on the inside. I'm gonna cover this up, let it soak nicely, guys, and I'll come back to it in a minute. So Chef 90s, what's going on in the pot? This is the specialty on the menu. Let us simmer down.
Final ingredients are going on.
What is the final ingredient? You hear that, guys? Secret ingredients inside the curry pork. Guys, so hot. So hot, guys. Me I tell you. Whew. Anyway, guys, you know, Drama Queen love to cook, and this is just fun for me. So let's do it, guys. So I just saw the thing there. Yeah, man. So this is what's happening inside, guys. We have another pot bubbling up to fry some more chicken because we have to get the ball rolling. So let's get some more chicken in the pot, guys. This oil is bubbling, guys. So we're gonna fold this one up. Fold this one up with some chicken, guys. And give it a little toss. And cover it right up, guys. Right up, we're gonna cover this one. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Let's get rid of all of this stuff. And we're gonna cover this one up, guys, and come back to it later. Check it out, guys. That's what's going on right now. So we had to move the pots inside. It's way too hot outside. And this is what's going on inside. This is what's going on inside. I am loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. So we have our onions here, almost ready to make the sauce. We have our pot here for our pasta. So we're almost done. Finished product is coming up soon. What do you think, guys? Let me know. Are you coming to Cherry's Kitchen? So let's take these fish out. Ooh, they're burning. Gotta go, guys. Gotta go. It's about 2 hours later and Drama Queen is still cooking. The chef, 90s, he wrapped up the curry pork and it seems to be great. That's out the way. Rice and peas is out the way. White rice is out the way, guys. And I wanted to show you. The fish is coming along beautiful. But I am most impressed with the chicken. I'm impressed, guys. I'm impressed. So I'm just popping in to show you. It's so hot. The oil is popping up all over. The sun is too hot on the outside. I had to move that pot inside. So I'm actually inside now, guys, trying to finish up. However, we're almost done. So I'll see you with the finished product, guys, and I'll show you everything. Anyway, let's continue the journey, and we're cooking for the 50th birthday party at Richmond Estate in Jamaica. Guys, let's keep our fingers crossed. Because my goal is to ensure that these people eat, full them belly, and enjoy them food. So I don't want to burn up the pot, guys. I just pop in, and I'm popping right back out, and I'll be back in a few with the finished product. Guys, it was a long day cooking, guys. Oh my gosh. It was fun. I enjoyed doing it. But guys, I am tired. The sun beat me so bad. I had to transfer everything inside. However, all the food is done. And as you can see, we are ready for the party. The party is going on, guys. And I'm actually late with the food. So I wanted to show you guys the food before I leave. I'll try to sneak you in the party. It's not my party, so I have to respect whose party it is. So I'm not going to really take the Drama Queen show into the party. Anyway, guys, let's check the food out. I'll show you what we prepared and close this video off. I want to thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know, what would you cook at the party? Let me know, what would you eat that I made today? So let's go look at the food. This is the finished product. We have white rice right here, nice and shelly. We have the curry pork right here, nice and juicy. We have some fried chicken on the back, guys. Check it out. Ooh, rice and peas, nice and shelly. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we have the fried chicken here. Check out the fried chicken. Yummy. What is sauce that pick up on the fried chicken? I want the Barbie fried chicken. Pass the chicken in that oven for me, please. So this is the fried chicken, nice and juicy. And we have the escovitch fish. As you know, I am good for some escovitch fish. We also have some Barbie fries, guys. They're ringing down my phone. I'm telling you, I am so late. Anyway, I want to wrap up this one. Check out the fried fish. The fried fish look good. Oh my gosh. I am rushing, but I really wanted to show you the food. This also over here is the Barbie fried chicken. Check it out. So we have a macaroni pie and another few stuff, but I have no space to put it. We have goat head soup that was prepared by Auntie. I call her name. And we're gonna have a birthday celebration right now. I really wanted to show you the food. They're blowing up my phone, so I have to go. We're gonna close this one off, guys. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I am out. They're calling the chef. The chef is late for the party. I am out. Deuces.